So in this video, you'll learn how to create a post in Telegram. So all you need to do is simply navigate to your profile. And then once you're in your profile, you should see this option for add a post. So you want to tap on it like that. And then you want to start the process of creating your post. So you should see this selfie camera option at the top here. And you can choose to remove it by tapping on this icon like that. And then it will just be the back camera you're using. If you want to use both cameras, select that, and then you'll have the selfie camera and the back camera like that. If you want to disable the selfie camera option like that, and then switch this to the selfie camera, you can do that. So once you've chosen how you're going to be taking the image, all you need to do is simply take the photo. So you can choose to add grid lines like that, or you can choose to remove it if you want to, depending on which grid lines you want. If you don't like them, just remove it. Then you can choose to have a flash or not. It's completely up to you. And then just tap on this shutter button to take your photo. If you want to take your video, simply switch to the video tab like that, and then start taking your video. You'll need to give the necessary permissions so that I can access the camera app as well as allowing it to record audio. So just to give the necessary permissions, and then start taking either a photo or a video. Once you've done that, you'll then be prompted to give your photo or video a caption. You can choose to leave it blank, or you can just choose to type in whatever it is you want. And then once you're happy with what you've typed out, just tap on this check mark. Then you can go a step further. You can choose to draw on the image like that. So you can select your pen, choose a color, and then just draw whatever it is that you want on the image. You can also choose to add stickers. And then you can also choose to add text. So it's completely up to you. And then once you're finished with your customizations, even actually just customizing the image, the exposure, all sorts of things, just remember to be tapping on done so that those changes are applied to the image. And then from here, once you're ready to post your post, just tap on next and then choose who you're going to be sharing it to. So you can choose to share it to everyone, to your contacts, to your close friends, or to just selected users. So for me, I'll choose my contacts only. Then you can choose to allow people to take screenshots as well as post to your profile. If you're fine with that, you can leave them enabled. If not, just tap on the toggles to disable it. Then when you're ready, tap on post story. And then wait a few seconds for it to load. And then you should see your post right there on your profile. Then so someone can just come and watch your post or your story. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.